Hello everyone, and how are you? Okay, so today it's a beautiful day, even though you can see a little bit that it's gonna rain. And I was thinking if maybe to make this class in a sunny day, but maybe Hashem wanted me to do it today, and I think it's still beautiful and it's still amazing that we're alive. And just some thoughts that I had this morning about actually I have these thoughts already for a few weeks. Unfortunately, I was a bit sick, and of course, when a person is sick, usually one of the things that are coming to mind is, am I going to be okay? Am I okay? Does Hashem still needs me here? Yes, this is a very important thought to have, and to look a little bit of on your life, on your deeds, and see, what can I improve? How can I be better? How can I become a better person? And always to improve, right? And sometimes the life and hardship and things that are happening, even though we understand it's from Hashem and it's coming to help us, is not always easy. So we sort of like fall asleep a little bit, and sometimes Hashem has to, bring us back into the into the way, yeah? So I was thinking when I was really sick and asking myself if I have a purpose here, and if I'm important. And I remember I talked with Rav Yossi. I called him and I was crying. I was like, doesn't Hashem really needs me here? Every person has a replacement, yeah? So of course, the amazing Rav Yossi always tells me that there is no replacement for anybody. Yes, there are people that they can make the job better even than what we do, but there is no replacement. Every single person is important. Every single person, it's a whole world. That's why we are all here, and we are not the same. Even twins are not the same. Yeah, we all have our own DNA and our own life and our own purpose and our own destiny. Yes, and life is beautiful. And if Hashem chose to put me here now, it means that this world needs me in this moment, and there is no replacement for me, and there is no replacement for you. And I remember when I was a little girl in Romania, and I was I was living my life, and it was so important for me not to waste my life, not to live without any purpose. And I remember I used to look, I had this big window in front of my room, and I was seeing all these people walking, and I was telling myself, wow, who knows how many people walked on the street, and they are gone. Nobody knows they were here. They didn't do nothing to stay. I don't want to be like this. I don't want to disappear. I don't want to. I need to do something to be remembered. Yeah. And I think every person has this desire, even hidden inside, if you don't really say it. And Baruch Hashem, I got the chance to become Jewish and to really do something. I feel I'm doing something with my life. Yes, other than just living. But bottom line is that it doesn't matter where you are, who you are, or what place are you right now. The world needs you, and the world would not be the same without you. And you are important, and you are important for Hashem first of all, and for the world. And even if you don't see the impact that you're doing, and even if you don't see everything that is going on and what exactly am I doing here, the world will not be the same without you. And it's very important in life to learn to appreciate yourself, and to appreciate that you're doing your best, and you have the intention, and you want to be a better person, because this is how, when you appreciate yourself and you love yourself, then everybody else is just, you can make an impact on anybody. Yes, and I know who I am, not on non-modest point of view. I know who I am. I know what are my shortcomings. I know what I need to correct. I know that I'm not 100%, but I also know my worth. And that's so important today, And in these moments when we're sick, and especially COVID, which is like a little bit scary. Oh, I have it. What do I do now? Would I leave? Yeah. It's hard. It brings you all these feelings like, am I worth it, you know? And I remember that when this happened to me, and I was talking with Rav Yossi, and I was crying, and you know, Rav Yossi, Hashem still needs me, you know? He told me, Tamar, first of all, there is no replacement for you, and secondly, you know, you have your kids, and the kids need you, and they need you. They still need you very much. And I was like, yeah. And then suddenly my daughter came, you know, like 2 minutes, I was still on the phone with the Rav, and my daughter came and started to cry. Also, she also had this, and she was like crying about, I don't know, giving birth or something like that, that she's afraid that she's gonna grow up and give birth. Okay, so I had to, you know, sit with her and explain to her that this is a natural thing, and it's a beautiful thing, and yes, it's a bit hurtful, you know, pain, there is a bit pain involved, but it's okay, everybody, you know. So I was trying to explain to her, and obviously was like, you see, I just told you, your kids still need you. Yeah, so always remember, there is always someone that needs you, but it's not only your kids. Maybe you don't have kids, but you're still important. First of all, you need yourself, yeah? You're here for a reason, and if Hashem puts you here, there is no mistake, there is no by chance, there is no, everything in Hashem's world is precise, it's exact, it's 100%, there is no 99.9% for Hashem. So if I'm here in this moment, in this time, then it means that Hashem has a purpose for me, and I'm doing something, and even if I don't see it with my eyes, I definitely, the world definitely needs me, yeah? So learn to appreciate every moment that you have in this world, because it's beautiful and it's amazing, and Hashem put us here, you know, to correct ourselves and to make the world a better place. And if you can do that, even with one thing, then you did your purpose, and that's amazing. I wish you all to always learn to appreciate yourselves, and to believe in yourself, and to believe that there is a purpose for everybody, and Hashem's world is perfect. I wish you an amazing day, and hopefully we'll talk soon. Have a great day.